Pro Christmas lighting kits have everything you need to get started lighting like a professional this holiday season. Pro Christmas lighting kits include C9 retrofit bulbs in a variety of color options available, SPT1 empty socket light cord, and male and female vampire plugs. Cut and customize your light runs by adding power where you need it. You can use your lighting kit to apply lights anywhere around the outside of your home. Use hot glue to add lights to brick or stone surfaces and attach them to your garage, windows, or doorways. You can also use stakes with your light line kit and add lights around your pathways and yard lines. Use roof clips to apply lights to your roof line. The products in your Pro Christmas lighting kit are commercial grade, designed to endure outdoor weather during the holiday season. With IP67 rated shatterproof C9 light bulbs and durable SPT1 socket cord, the lights in your kit are built for a vibrant, optimized performance with the benefits of LED energy savings. Rest assured that you are lighting your home with the same top quality products that pro installers use on their commercial holiday lighting projects. Vampire plugs are easy to install on your light line. To create a male vampire plug, cut 1/4 inch down the middle of your wire. There's a ribbed side. We'll make contact with the pin on the larger blade of the plug. Place the end of the cord inside the channel of the plug with the ribbed side against the larger blade pin. Slide the back of the plug on. This will pierce the wire and make contact with the pin. Use channel locks if necessary to seal the plug. To create a female vampire plug, cut the wire 1/4 inch down the middle to separate the wire. Find the larger blade of the plug. Align this pin with the ribbed side of your wire. Place the cord into the channel of the plug. Slide the plug back onto the plug to make contact between the plug pin and wire. Your female vampire plug is ready to use. Inline female vampire plugs can be added to light line and zip cord to connect additional plugs along your power line. Use a female plug with breakaway tabs. Find the larger blade of the female plug. The pin from this plug must connect to the ribbed side of the wire. Place the cord inside the channel of the plug with the larger blade pin. Slide the back of the plug on to puncture the wire, making contact between the wire and pin. Your female vampire plug is ready to use. DIY holiday lighting is fun and easy with Pro Christmas lighting kits.